Welcome to our guide on the best crystals for chakra balancing. For centuries, crystals have been revered for their healing properties and ability to align our energies. Each chakra resonates with specific vibrations, and certain crystals can help balance these energies. We'll explore the top crystals to align and balance your chakras. Delve into the properties of each crystal and their benefits. Allow yourself to be drawn to the crystals that resonate with you. Let's begin with clear quartz, often called the master healer. Its clarity amplifies energy and thought. Think of it as a powerful lens, magnifying your intentions. It can be used with any chakra, promoting energy flow. Meditate with it, visualize its light, and restore balance. Next, we have amethyst, a beautiful purple crystal associated with the crown chakra, our connection to the divine. Its calming energy soothes the mind, bringing peace and tranquility. Amethyst is a wonderful crystal for meditation, helping to quiet the constant chatter of the mind and enhance intuition. It allows us to access higher states of consciousness and connect with our inner wisdom. Keep amethyst near your bedside to promote restful sleep and vivid dreams. Its gentle energy will create a peaceful sanctuary, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and connected. Moving on to blue lace agate, a gentle yet powerful crystal for the throat chakra. Its soft blue color evokes a sense of tranquility and encourages open and honest communication. If you struggle to express your thoughts and feelings, blue lace agate can help you find your voice. It dissolves blockages in the throat chakra, allowing you to speak your truth with confidence and grace. Wear blue lace agate as a necklace or pendant, keeping its soothing energy close to your throat. It will empower you to communicate authentically and connect with others on a deeper level. Now let's talk about rose quartz, the stone of unconditional love. Its gentle pink hue resonates deeply with the heart chakra. Rose quartz is a powerful tool for emotional healing. It helps mend a broken heart and cultivate self-love. It reminds us we are worthy of love and encourages kindness. Meditate with it to foster forgiveness and compassion. Citrine, with its bright, sunny disposition, is a powerful crystal for the solar plexus chakra. Its vibrant energy boosts confidence, ignites creativity, and encourages you to shine brightly. Carry citrine to boost self-esteem and attract positive opportunities. Next, we have carnelian, a vibrant orange crystal associated with the sacral chakra, our center of creativity and passion. Its fiery energy ignites our inner fire, encouraging us to pursue our dreams with enthusiasm and zest for life. Carnelian is a wonderful crystal for artists, writers, and anyone seeking to tap into their creative potential. It helps to overcome creative blocks, boosts motivation, and inspires new ideas. Place carnelian on your desk or in your creative space to stimulate inspiration and enhance your creative flow. Its vibrant energy will infuse your work with passion and vitality. Finally, we come to red jasper, a grounding stone associated with the root chakra, our foundation and connection to the earth. Its earthy energy provides a sense of stability, security, and strength. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or disconnected, red jasper can help you to feel centered and grounded. It reminds us of our inner strength and resilience, helping us to navigate challenging times with courage and determination. Carry red jasper with you to feel more grounded and secure throughout the day. Meditate with it to connect with the Earth's energy and draw upon its stabilizing and nurturing vibrations. Thank you for watching our guide on the best crystals for chakra balancing. I hope this journey through the chakras and their corresponding crystals has empowered you to incorporate these beautiful tools into your own life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on holistic wellness. Share your experiences with these crystals in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey. See you next time.